This young lady right here is the original Dorian Yates single arm bicep curl. I can't believe that I see this machine again. Do you know the machine?
Yeah, I have that one. This one in my gym.
Yeah?
In Korea.
That's the original Dorian Yates
Yeah.
bicep curl. That's literally one of the best machines to train biceps. It's incredible old, but I'm telling you guys, this is just perfect. You can sit in here and then you stretch it all the way out. Can you see? From the most intense stretch. This machine is like, that's poetry. I love it.